Make a great choice today with the 2015 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
I'm Mike Murphy, owner of Mike Murphy Ford. I appreciate you visiting our website and hope you find it helpful. We would be glad to answer any of your questions, send you more photos, arrange a test drive, arrange financing. Just let us know how we can help. We get it. Price sells cars.